and welcome to Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Today, we will meet a coyote. Coyotes are highly adaptive animals that once primarily lived in prairies and deserts, but now can be found in forests, mountains, and urban areas. They have an opportunistic diet, eating a wide range of foods from rabbits, rodents, and deer to insects, fruit, and grasses. They can run up to 40 miles an hour and hunt using a keen sense of smell and excellent vision. Coyotes can be rather vocal, howling as a way to communicate with other coyote families as well as their own family. If you want to help protect these animals, always secure your trash cans and don't leave any open pet food outside. Coyotes are attracted to urban areas for these easy sources of food. This can cause coyotes to rely on humans for their food, which makes them sick because it's not a natural part of their diet. Thank you for watching Awesome Animal Ambassadors. Join us tomorrow at 10 a.m. to see another awesome animal.